In this video, we'll unbox the Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Binili ko siya sa Black Friday sale ng Samsung. Ang SRP nito is around 1,690 pesos pero during the sale around 900 na lang siya. So this can be compared to Apple's AirTags. Inside, Paperworks for the setup. If we try to compare this with the AirTags, almost the same size lang naman siya. Ang maganda dito, compared to AirTags, meron na siyang loop dito. Pwede mo na siya i-hook agad susi natin or other things. Kasi nga, sa AirTags, kailangan mo pang bumili ng sarili nyong casing for the hook. Kailangan natin hilain to para ma-activate yung battery niya. Then, there you have it. Ang kasama sa package natin is this one. Most likely, para palitan yung battery. We have SmartThings app. Let's try to open it and try to connect this. I'm using a Galaxy S23. The battery life is around 500 days or 700 days kapag naka-saving mode tayo. As you can see right now, it is recognizing. Tinatanong niya if we want to add this device to our SmartThings. Let's click on add. There you have it. Then you have to accept yung mga permissions nila kasi nga it would allow the smart tag to have access to your location. Mga kailangan nyo siya to find your things. Now it says here, press the button on the center of the tag kasi nga may haptic feedback to. There you have it. It is registering my device already. And successfully paired. You can edit your device info so you can easily use it with voice assistant. And there you have it. Mayroon na tayo. Add to home screen. Yes. Okay. Alam na natin yung location natin. Nakakabit na siya sa susi ko. With this Galaxy Smart Tag 2, pwede na natin siya i-ring. So that's very convenient. Tapos, pwede mo rin palitan yung ringtone natin. There are just some of the other features kapag, let's say, hindi mo siya mahanap and it's nearby, pwede mong gamitin to. Pwede niyang ituro sa'yo kung malapit mo na ba siyang mahanap. Pero easier way again would be just use the ringtone. Tapos, meron din siyang location history. Like, nilagay niyo siya sa bag niyo, tapos nawala yung bag niyo. Matatrack yan kung saan na napunta.